Welcome to this episode of Airbnb Planet Proper Towel Folding and Care 101. As we've stated in the past, attention to detail is what will help you stand out amongst your competition, raise your search engine rankings, and perhaps your income as well. Hard to believe, but people notice even minute details, whether good or bad, so they may as well be good. In that your guests will have a lot of interaction with their towels during the course of their stay, proper towel care and presentation is crucial. As always, we recommend going with white resort quality towels. In most towns and cities, they can be found at your local big box store like Sam's Club or Costco. Wash them once before use, and here's a few really good washing tips. We recommend using a detergent combined with a whitener such as OxyClean, as well as some bleach. They also fold up a bit nicer when you add a fabric softener. If necessary, spot treat your white towels with a small bleach stick like this one. By the way, there are more eco-friendly versions of all these products for those of you who want to keep it more green. Now folks, you're gonna take losses on your towels. Things like certain types of makeup, blood, grease, and others are virtually impossible to get clean. And once they become stained in such a way in which the stain cannot be removed, you have to replace them. With washcloths usually taking the biggest hits, followed by hand towels, then bath towels. Keep extra around and don't sweat the small stuff or let it bother you. Consider it a cost of doing business. You can be creative. Use the blemish towels for cleaning or for your workshop, or even donate them to a local animal shelter who'd be happy to have them. Now to the best part, towel folding 101. Bath towels first. Lay your towel down on a flat surface and flatten it out. Fold the outer edges into the center, slightly overlapping one side. Fold both ends inwards towards the center, leaving a large enough crease for a final fold. In our opinion, this is the ultimate visually appealing and most sanitary fold, leaving no exposed edges of your bath towels. Only soft, rounded creases all the way around. You can repeat this process with the hand towels using only a half fold. Washcloths are folded into thirds only. Now, neatly stack all three in your own creative way to make what we call a setup. Place your setups where they can easily be found by new guests and try and keep at least one extra setup for each guest tucked away in the space. This will give your guests the very best towel experience possible. For beach towels, we recommend folding them in half lengthwise, then rolling them up as tightly as possible and displaying them in some creative way, perhaps to show off a piece of furniture or what have you. Proper towel care and folding is a crucial element to being a successful home sharing host. Please like and share this video and subscribe for notifications on new videos. Also, drop us a note and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover. Visit our website and blog at airbnbplanet.com. Aloha and a hui ho.